Dotting the area. Nothing big, though, and unfortunately, we could use a little bit more rainwater than that because things are starting to get a little dry out there. Let's take a look at it, and the rain that's coming down across the area right now, very limited. This is a very moisture-starved weather front that's cutting across the area. A little bit of shower activity scooting across Niagara County right now at Fort Warren Doppler, right around Lockport, and some of that, the bottom end of it may be extending down here into the Tonawondas and Grand Island, and that's going to be sweeping across the northern half of Erie County. Maybe a few spotty, isolated light rain showers embedded within the ground clutter here in the southeast corner of Erie County and the Boston Hills, and a little bit more off the lakeshore. This stuff is not going to add up to much. The only thing that really was of note this morning is about 45 minutes ago, we did detect a lightning strike mid-Lake Ontario. While temperatures did build into the 80s across most of the area this morning before some of the clouds arrived, 82 down at the Hamburg High School right now from our neighborhood WeatherNet station, at least down there. That went around the southwest about 6 or 7 miles per hour. Looking at cloud cover along the south shore of Lake Ontario at the Wilson Boat Harbor, and it's going to be cloudy for a while this afternoon, but based on the movement of these clouds, I wouldn't be surprised if the sun starts to break out again in the wake of this maybe later this afternoon overlooking the town of Amherst, SUNY Buffalo North Campus. You can see these clouds starting to push in from the west. It's still sunnier off to the east at Silver Lake in Wyoming County, but even there the clouds will be taking over during the course of the afternoon, at least for a while. You can see this narrow band of cloudiness which is now working across the region in the satellite picture. A very moisture-starved weather front at this point. Not to say that there may not be a few more spotty showers, maybe an isolated thunder shower popping up along this front during the course of the afternoon. And then we'll probably start to see some partial clearing working back in here already as we get into the evening hours tonight. Any leftover showers or thunder showers will wind out pretty quickly this evening. Super Microcast is showing that to us. Very spotty thunder shower activity across the area this afternoon, possibly lasting into the evening hours. Then it winds down, partial clearing overnight, setting the stage for a pretty nice Thursday out there. Mostly sunny skies on tap and lower humidity. The humidity is back today, but again tomorrow it decreases, so it will be much more comfortable. And on Friday we'll be looking at mostly to partly sunny skies as we wrap up the week around here. The weather front that's moving through the area right now is going to stall out to the south of the region, and it's possible that maybe late in the day on Friday, an isolated or a few isolated thunder showers could brush the Pennsylvania line down this direction. 77 degrees at the airport in Buffalo right now. We have 77 at Niagara Falls and 78 at Dunkirk, 77 down through Jamestown, close to 80 at Wellsville and Bradford off to the east. But check out Dansville, where it's been sunnier this morning. Temperatures actually approaching the 90-degree mark at 87. And along the lake shores right now, Olcott reporting 73, the Coast Guard Station Fort Niagara 73, 72 in the Buffalo Harbor, and 74 down here at the Dunkirk Lighthouse. As we turn to your forecast almanac, the sunset time 8:56 this afternoon. Water temp now up to 70 off Buffalo and Lake Erie. Clouds increase for a while this afternoon. Very spotty showers and maybe an isolated thunder shower popping up across the region this afternoon, becoming more humid. It is rather humid out there already. High temp 80 to 84 for the overnight. Any leftover showers and thunder showers end this evening. Partial clearing 55 in the valley, 65 in the city. Beautiful day tomorrow. Mostly sunny, less humid, pleasant, 78 to 82. On Friday, mostly to partly sunny, an isolated thunder shower late in the day toward the Pennsylvania line, 79 to 83. And the weekend is still looking outstanding at this point. Great for the taste of Buffalo. All the outdoor activities going on. 83 on Saturday and approaching the upper 80s, into the upper 80s there on Sunday.
It's amazing. Channel 4 does have, and 23 will have a little booth there.
We're
going to be right in the square this year.
And the Wake Up crew will be there Saturday morning.
I'm going to be there right at 11. You too?
Me too.
All right. We'll see you then.